How to use private browsing on Safari in iOS 26. So let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Now here click on Utilities folder. Now here click on Settings app. Now in Settings, scroll down, click on General. Now here scroll down, click on Software Update. Make sure your software update is latest iOS 26. So after updating, go back to home screen and again go to App Library and click on Utilities folder and click on Safari app. Now in Safari you will see three options, so click on three dot icon, click on all tabs. Now here you will see two tabs and private. So if you want to use private browser, so click on private. So unlock. If you want to unlock and click on this tick icon. You want to use and search any website in private browser. You will see this is private browser. So after the procedure, go back to home screen. So that's how you can use private browsing on Safari in iOS 26. Hope so you like the video. Thanks for watching.